Dear friends, my name is C.F. Joseph. I have had the privilege of living outside Kerala for 56 years. 6 years in Pune University doing graduation and post-graduation, and about 6 years working in Mumbai in sales and customer service as sales manager of a major company. Then in Bahrain, 8 years as first as marketing director, then an executive director of a major firm there. Then the next 2 years at the age of 45 and 46, doing my MBA in the Roosevelt University of Chicago. Thereafter, I came to Dubai. I was executive director of a major firm there for about 2 more years. Then, after observing what I can do for our people working there, particularly improving their self confidence and communication skills in English, and helping them with their personality development and career development, particularly for teenagers, I set up Born to Excel Success Motivation there in Dubai, and I was running it for the last 25 years. Now I'm here in Muttar, a small village between Changanassery, Erathu and Tiruvalla, where I have my home on the ground floor, and the first floor we have a real world-class homestay facility, and on top floor we have a conference hall that can accommodate 200 people. Friends, here we focus on tourism on the one hand and training on the other hand. I have a superb facility using a computer system to improve accents and pronunciations of our people. Our people know how to read and write reasonably well to manage their lives even when they are working outside Kerala or outside India. But if we really can improve their self-confidence a lot and their standard of spoken English to world standards, our ability to deal with the tourists will be enhanced a lot. If you are interested, be in touch with me and come and visit my facility. And I have a world-class tourism center as well as a world-class training facility here. Welcome to Born to Excel Success Motivation Center, Muttar, and welcome to Riverside in Muttar, a world-class homestay. Thank you very much. See you sometime here in Muttar. If you wish to contact me, I can be contacted on 97450 My email ID is josephcf43@gmail.com, and my website is riversideinmuttar.com and borntoexcel.org. Thank you very much.